Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HSBC US detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into HSBC US, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www. You will be directed to the HSBC homepage. Look for the Log On button located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the Log On button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Personal Banking. You will now see the login page for personal banking. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Be sure to check for any typos in both fields. Once you've confirmed the information is correct, click on the Log On button. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to your HSBC account. In case you forgot your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset your information. For added security, you may be asked to verify your identity. This typically involves answering security questions or receiving a code via email or SMS. After successfully logging in, you can navigate through your account dashboard. Here, you can check balances, view transactions, and manage your finances. Remember to log out once you have completed your banking session. This can be done by clicking on the Log Off option at the top right corner of the page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.